Hey guys, so today I will be showing you two methods or ways on how to make rice milk for hair growth and helping you repair your damaged hair, and also for soft, supple, smooth skin. So let's get started. So it is very important to use the organic or the chemical-free and the pesticide-free rice if you're using this on your hair, especially on your face. So I highly recommend it if you have sensitive skin. You can also use the regular rice, but I think it is better and safe to use this type of rice. So in here, my proportion is I just use 1 cup of rice, and then I transfer that into a bigger bowl. And from there, I added in about 2 cups of water to clean it first. And I always do a first rinse just to make sure to get rid of any dirt that may be there. So after that, I dispose the water, and then I will pour in 2 glasses of clean hot water, and then just let it soak and marinate it for about 2 to 3 hours. So after 3 hours, I got rid of the water, and then this is what the rice looks like. So I will go ahead and put that inside the blender, and then I added in 2 1/2 glasses of water, and then I just blend it. Now it's great to liquefy it until it turns into this consistency. So after that, this is what it's going to look like. Now I'm just going to strain this, and look how gracefully I poured it. I made a beautiful mess. So here it is. Now I will transfer it into a milk bottle, and once again, you can see my gracefulness from here as well. Now this is the method of making rice milk that I actually like using on my hair, because it has a lighter consistency and it is way easier to wash off your hair because there are no grains that will be attached to your hair after. Okay, so here's how I use it. I just basically pour it all over my hair and scalp, making sure that my whole head is fully covered. And then I have a basin here as well to catch the rice milk. And then I just let that soak on my hair for about 20 minutes and then wash it off. Now the effect of it is just amazing, because not only does it help you grow your hair and repair your damaged hair, but it can also help soften and get rid of the excess oils off your hair. Okay, so for the second method, I will use 1 cup of rice again, and of course I am just going to rinse it, making sure that it is clean, because this time I will be using this on my face. So after rinsing it, I added in 2 glasses of water, and then I cooked it. So I cooked the rice for about 15 minutes, and after that, this is what it looks like. So I just used 1 cup of the cooked rice, and then I put it inside the blender, and then I added in about 2 to 3 glasses of water. I was actually using a small glass, by the way. Once again, I'm going to blend it well until I get into this kind of consistency. Once it is done, it is going to look like this. Now, you're going to have a porridge type of texture at first, but if it is blended well, it is going to turn out like this. Once again, I'm gonna go ahead and strain it. And this is what the rice milk looks like. Now you'll get a thicker consistency if you do this process. If you want this to be more watery, then of course just add in more liquid. So here is our finished product. This is the method that I actually like doing if I want to use this on my face, because it will adhere more to my skin rather than using the first method, which is very runny. So I let it sit on the fridge for about 4 hours, and then I just apply it on my skin after. I really do like the cooling effect once it hits your skin. I left it on my face for about 15 minutes, and then I washed it off. And the rice milk has anti-aging and brightening properties that I'm sure your skin would definitely benefit. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video please give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments down below if you are also a rice milk or a rice water user as well. And also, if you found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!